Starting a business might seem like something adults do, but guess what? Teenagers can be entrepreneurs too. It's all about having a great idea and the passion to make it real. The Castle method is here to guide you step by step. Think of it as your magical guidebook to building your very own business kingdom. Imagine Cedric, an 18-year-old with a head full of dreams and a heart set on creating something amazing. He loves fantasy novels, collecting unique ones, and exploring the world of magic. Cedric wants to share this passion with others, but how can he turn it into a business? That's where the Castle method comes in. It's a simple framework designed to help aspiring entrepreneurs like Cedric and Yukasu transform their dreams into reality. So are you ready to build your own castle brick by Entrepreneurial Brick? Let's get started. Every great castle starts with a blueprint, a clear vision of what you want to create. In the business world, this is called conceptualization. This is where you let your imagination soar and brainstorm ideas. Cedric loves everything magical, but he knows he needs to choose a specific niche. He jots down ideas like selling custom-made wands, creating magical themed subscription boxes, or even starting a YouTube channel reviewing fantasy novels. But Cedric knows that a successful business idea needs to solve a problem or fulfill a need. He thinks about his friends and their shared love for magic. He realizes that many of them struggle to find high quality, unique ones that resonate with their personalities. Cedric's entrepreneurial light bulb moment arrives. He decides to focus on crafting personalized ones, each one as unique as its owner. Now that Apollo has his big idea, it's time to assemble a minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP is like a sneak peek of your business, a basic version you can use to test the waters and see if people are interested. Apollo knows he can't build a whole one-shop overnight. Instead, he focuses on creating a one-personality quiz using online software. This quiz asks users a series of questions about their magical preferences and then reveals their ideal wand type based on their answers. At the end of the quiz, Apollo includes a call to action, a free 10-minute Zoom consultation to discuss personalized wand options. This allows him to connect with potential customers, gather feedback, and gauge interest in his product. Remember, building a business is a journey, not a race. As you share your MVP with the world, you'll start receiving valuable feedback. Shaping your product means listening to this feedback and making adjustments to better meet your customers' needs. Cedric begins sharing his one personality quiz with friends, family, and online communities dedicated to magic and fantasy. He pays close attention to their comments and suggestions. He notices that many people are asking about wand care and maintenance. Responding to this feedback, Cedric decides to create a series of informative blog posts and videos on wand care. He even adds a wand care guide as a bonus for everyone who takes his quiz. By actively listening to his audience, Cedric is shaping his business to be even more appealing and customer-centric. Section 5. Tailor. Presenting your best self. You've got a fantastic product, but how do you convince people to choose it? That's where tailoring your message comes in. It's all about presenting your business in a way that resonates with your target audience. Cedric knows he needs to capture the magic and wonder that drew him to wands in the first place. He crafts his website and marketing materials to evoke a sense of enchantment. He uses captivating images of handcrafted wands, testimonials from satisfied customers, and even writes his website copy in a whimsical, engaging tone. Cedric understands that people connect with stories. He shares his own journey of discovering his passion for wand making, highlighting the care and dedication that goes into each creation. By tailoring his message to appeal to his target audience's emotions and aspirations, Cedric effectively communicates the value of his unique wands. Section 6. Launch, opening the doors to the world. The moment has arrived. It's time to launch your business and share your creation with the world. This is an exciting but nerve-wracking step. Remember to start small and gradually expand your reach. Cedric starts by promoting his One Personality quiz and website on social media platforms frequented by fantasy enthusiasts. He joins online communities dedicated to magic, crafting, and cosplay, engaging in conversations and sharing his expertise. He also explores collaborations with influencers in the fantasy and crafting communities, sending them free wands in exchange for honest reviews and shoutouts. By strategically targeting his marketing efforts, Cedric ensures that his business launch reaches the right audience and generates buzz. Section 7. Expand, aiming for the stars. Congratulations, your business is up and running, but the entrepreneurial journey doesn't end there. Expanding your business means exploring new horizons and finding creative ways to grow. Cedric is thrilled with the positive response to his personalized wands. He's receiving orders from all over the country. As his business flourishes, he starts thinking about expansion strategies. He considers offering wand-making workshops, allowing customers to craft their own magical tools under his expert guidance. He also explores partnerships with local bookstores and comic shops to showcase and sell his wands. By thinking big and embracing new possibilities, Cedric ensures that his business continues to evolve and thrive. Section 8. Seeking wisdom. Mentors and their magic. Even the bravest knights need wise mentors to guide them on their quests. As you navigate the world of entrepreneurship, don't hesitate to seek advice and support from those who've walked the path before you. Cedric realizes that while he's passionate about wand making, he doesn't have all the answers when it comes to running a business. He reaches out to experienced entrepreneurs in his community, attending local business workshops and networking events. He also connects with established artisans and craftspeople online, seeking their insights on scaling production, managing inventory, and navigating the challenges of running a creative business. Their guidance and mentorship prove invaluable as Cedric continues to grow his wand-making empire. Section 9. Conclusion. Your entrepreneurial adventure awaits. Starting a business as a teenager is an incredible journey filled with excitement, challenges, and endless possibilities. The Castle Method provides a roadmap, guiding you from that initial spark of an idea to a thriving business. Remember Cedric's story. He transformed his passion for magic into a successful wand-making business by following the castle steps, conceptualizing his idea, assembling an MVP, shaping it based on feedback, tailoring his message, launching with confidence, and expanding his horizons. Now it's your turn. What are you passionate about? What problem can you solve? Embrace your entrepreneurial spirit, follow the castle method, and who knows, you might just build a business more magical than you ever imagined. The world is waiting for your unique talents and ideas.